Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Blackout Bill channel. We have a fantastic day for you today. We have a motor haul. Oh, yes, we do. We got a bunch of motors for sale on various media platforms. Good news is one of them spins. The bad news is the three of them don't, but that's okay. We're going to take them apart, see if we can get lucky with a couple, and go from there. So, without further ado, let's go with the one that spins. We got the Evinrude. This looks like a 3 horsepower. I'm thinking it's a 64. Based on 3402C. Should be 64. We'll get to that in a minute. We picked up what looks to be a 50s-ish Sea King. I'm looking for the shifter. That would tell me it was the 50s. I don't see it. It's obviously a 5 horsepower made by Montgomery Wards. And it's got the straight fast gear. Now, it's seized up, but the mag plate's spinning. Don't think that makes a difference, but we're gonna check it. Oh, we got unseized carb needles, always a pleasure. And the stop screw, which doesn't seem to be turning at this moment. Just picked it up, haven't really played with it yet. So being that it doesn't have that, the 50s had a shifter, an actual shifter, even though it was a straight gear. This might be in the 60 range, so we're gonna check on that. Obviously has that Buccaneer style thing. Buccaneer made by a different company. Sea King was made by Montgomery Wards, and it looks to have the 5 horsepower, what do you call it, the wobble pump in there. I love how everybody says these are missing all the time. This is like my 5th. I got a storage of these little clips, but it looks like it has the wobble pump in it. I had a 51 that had the actual impeller style. It was 5 horsepower. This one's probably got the wobbler in there. We'll take that. I do have a new one ready for this, so if we can get this unseized, that would be interesting. Okay, this is the one that's seized, that's unseized. We're going to work on that first. Here we have what looks to be same years as this one. This one might be a 4. I haven't even looked at the model number yet. Direct drive. It's got an impeller in the bottom there. Here we go. What is it, 3432C? And this is 3402C. So I'm going to think it's the same year. 3 horsepower, probably 3.4 horsepower. And then we got 32 here, not sure. That one says 02, not sure. So I'm thinking this is the same year. 34s and the 34, probably most likely same year. So I'm going to think 60s, definitely early 60s. And then we got the Cuda Mercury, also seized. The only reason I picked this one up was it came with everything else, and it's a long shaft. So if by miraculousness we can get this one unseized, I'll actually have a long shaft that can test on my boat properly. And if I can get the model number in here, which I can. Oh, there we go. I don't know anything about Mercuries, but we're gonna check it out. 58-583-5464. We'll check that serial number with the Mercs and see if we can get a year and a basis for this. It's got a plastic cowl on it. It looks toast. These were outside, so they probably rusted up. Giving a quick base look over. I don't see any cracks. This one looks to be the worst shape. This isn't the one that spins, thank goodness. The one that spins is in decent shape. It's a little rusty and cobwebby, but I'm going to go with an 80% accuracy that we're going to get this guy running. Everything else depends on how bad the cylinders are. What we'll do is we'll keep the head on. We'll try to, we'll throw some metal rescue in there, see if we can unstick the piston rings, and see if we get lucky and bang that piston free, and go from there. But this is it. This is the haul, okay? I got a special surprise for everybody. Thanks for staying with me. I did lose a subscriber this month, very upset. But we're going to get more because I have a special surprise in the backyard, in the shed, getting ready to be uncovered. Is going to be a 1920s I'm going to leave it at that. Stay tuned for more Blackout Bill. We're coming back at you with some cool stuff. Stay tuned.